Okay, here we are on a ThermaCote project. Come inside and we'll walk you through what we've been doing. So, as you can see here, we've got the guys just finishing up doing their taping and sheeting. They've been here for the last day and a half getting everything prepped and ready. So, as you can see, we're having to work around the customer's house and their appliances. So we've taken everything off the walls that we possibly can. But for the purposes of this, we've had to pile everything into spaces that we can work around, tape and sheet it, make sure that anything that isn't getting coated is nice and protected. The guys have also taken off the radiators where possible so that we can spray behind them and eliminate as much thermal bridging as possible. They had to do some sanding and filling in some areas as well, just to make sure that everything is going to be a nice even surface for us to coat straight on top of. So the next step for us in this process is we will be priming the walls here just to make sure that we get as good adhesion of the ThermaCote product as possible, and obviously save as much space as we can. So the taping process usually takes about a day, 2 days. Ironically for us, it's probably the longest part of our process, is making sure that everything is protected and hidden away as much as possible so that we're not coating something that doesn't want to be coated. But yeah, for us, this is the longest part of our process. And obviously the more guys that we have involved, the sort of faster that we can work, but there's always challenges no matter what property you're doing.